We're about being employee-centric and customer-focused. And you can't beat that, right?
We wanted to be one of the best foundation repair companies in the United States, and not the biggest, but we wanted to be the best. And to do that, you have to partner with amazing people.
We felt that we were really rowing in the same direction with you because of our values, very similar. We could be kind of good right now, but we want to get to great.
Now we're energized. We're looking forward for the future.
It's a collaboration of ideas. We're going to learn together. We're going to collaborate together. And those people become your family over time. I believe.